Hi guys, welcome back. Today we will talk about another fraud called online job fraud. And we have another victim with us, Mr. Gurpreet Singh. Thank you for coming on the show, sir. Welcome, sir. Hello. आप बताइए exactly हुआ क्या आपके साथ?
Well, मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ. I experienced a job fraud on WhatsApp groups. I was just मैं ऐसे ही देख रहा था. I was browsing the internet, searching for some part-time options. तो मेरे पास एक आया. Then I got a WhatsApp message saying, "Hi, my name is Sheetal." नाम सुन के बंदा वैसे ही हो जाता है. So she said, "I have an offering for a couple of jobs." मैंने कहा हाँ यार भेले तो बैठे होते हैं कभी वीकेंड्स में, we can always do a side job. So she offered me a job option. तो मैंने उसको लिया. One day she asked me to transfer about 100 rupees and in return I'll get about 200 rupees. तो मेरे साथ वो हुआ. 2-3 बार ऐसे हुआ. Then she got me in transfer to a couple of more groups. ऐसा हुआ कि उसने मेरे को 500 और ग्रुप्स में इंक्लूड किया जहाँ पर आई इन्वेस्टेड अगेन सम मोर मनी. अब वीकेंड था, टाइम होता था, सो आई इन्वेस्टेड मोर मनी से अबाउट 1000 रुपीज़ एंड आई गॉट 1500 bucks बैक. तो मुझे लगा यार ये तो पैसा आराम से बैठे बैठे बन रहा है. ऐसे ही होता रहा फॉर अ कपल ऑफ डेज एंड सडनली देन आउट ऑफ द ब्लू वन डे आई सी माई अकाउंट एकदम से सारे के पैसे से गायब हो गया. आई हैड इन्वेस्टेड अबाउट 4000 वन डे एंड वो 4000 का पैसा शी वॉज इन स्टार्टिंग टू रिटर्न. वो रिस्पॉन्स ही दे रही थी. तो मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा था क्या करना है. और कुछ दिनों बाद पता लगा कि उसने मेरे को ब्लॉक ही कर दिया है.
तो आप उनसे कॉन्टैक्ट नहीं रहे ऑफिस?
अब कांटेक्ट हो ही नहीं पा रहा है. नोबडी इज आई रियली डोंट नो वेयर टू गो. फिर आई वेंट टू द क्राइम पोर्टल थिंग. मैंने उनसे कांटेक्ट किया, रीच आउट किया, उनको सारे नंबर्स दिए. जब वो 3-4 डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स उन्होंने मेरे को इंक्लूड किया. कोई आईडी था, कोई जैसे राहुल एट सी दिस थिंग एट वट एवर द ग्रुप नेम वॉज, उन सब में इंक्लूड करके देयर वर 5 or 6 of them. And I think I got scammed there. I was not sure what to do ahead. So I contacted the cyber group. And then they took all my details and the search is on. अपना काम वो कर गए, अपना पैसा बना गया.
Thank you, sir. Now we have Miss Prashla Singh, who is a seasoned banker and will tell us more about the online job fraud.
Thank you, Aditya. Online job fraud. Now, that is something very interesting. It is not only for the blue collar jobs or it is not only for the white collar jobs, it is for everybody. You will be surprised that it happens even for at the labor class also, as well as at the high end also. We've had experiences where people, if you go through the cyber cell complaints, we've seen people who have been even approached for multinational and for international positions and they paid money for that. So what I've heard from this latest podcast of yours, and I heard Mr. Gurpreet about sharing his incident, I'm not surprised. Because initially, every job fraud, it happens in a similar way. They'll inform the customer, or for them it's a customer, but they'll inform the candidate that we'll pay you immediately. And candidates, because they're looking for quick money, they do not check the website's how genuine the website is, what is SSN certificate, what is the background of the certificate, the website, what kind of a company is this, no reviews. I'm not saying get into every reviews and all, but you should check the website, you should check the company through the social media, and it is very easy. Just check the registration number of the company and you'll get to know about the company details. That's one. And also please remember that no company will ever tell you to pay for a job. Because they've come across cases where candidates have been asked to pay for the housing because it's in a different city without realizing that no company will do that. So candidates should automatically get in touch with the HR department. So that's one. And regarding the incident which we just heard, that is something, it's almost like a combination of job as well as making quick money options, wherein they'll do a part-time job, will give you double the amount of money kind of a thing. So candidates should always realize that what exactly are they working on? Is it totally by just putting money and getting money back? What kind of job is it? So people should be very careful about it. But most important, again, as I mentioned earlier also, please check on the security options of the camera of the website, where the call is coming from. Also the call center number, please check on that. Call up on that number, just see what does it say. And do not just jump at the first instance. Wait and just clarify as to what exactly is happening. Why are they calling you up? What is the reason for a call in your account? And also ensure that do not share your account details. It's very easy to say, okay, fine, I'll give you the money and you give me the money, but do not share your account details. Just tell them, I'll wait and see, wait and watch. That's the only way to take care of such frauds.
Thanks a lot. So guys, today we got to know more about online job fraud. And if you find yourself in this situation, please call 1930 or address this issue on Digital Crime Reporting Portal. And we'll see you in the next podcast. Bye. Cheers.